What is going on, guys? Welcome to a new video and welcome back to the channel. This Sunday, or this coming Monday, I'm going to be launching a fast, a 24-hour fast for anyone who wants to do it with me. So unlike a typical fast, however, you don't just have to go on tea and water. You can consume some calories on this fast. So you're going to be given the option of being able to have 2 smoothies of your choice. This is my VENOM smoothie. I'll put a link to the recipe in the description box of this video. So I'm going to be drinking 2 of these. And guys, if for some reason you've never fasted before and after 2 of these you just think that you need more, just have more. Have another smoothie. Again, this is kind of an introduction to fasting kind of thing. And again, it's not a fast by definition is when you exclude all calories, but we're going to do things a little bit different on this channel to make it easier for more people. So this is going to be just a day focusing on liquids. So this is, again, my VENOM recipe. I would highly suggest trying this if you haven't done so. You can use goat milk or whole milk from cows, as long as it's good quality, preferably raw. This is absolutely delicious. And make sure to put the psyllium in there if you're going to do this. So again, you guys, this Sunday or the Monday after this Sunday, I'm going to launch this. I just need to hear back from you guys. What would work better, Sunday or Monday for you? Let me know in the comments and we'll go from there. So you guys, we can use fasting to lose weight, to get healthier, to retrain the body and the mind, to get away from the addiction of always eating. When was the last time you took a break from eating solid food? So this is just 24 hours. You'll find that it's much easier than you think if you've never done this before. But again, guys, aside from the health benefits of fasting, we can actually fast for world peace, for change, to help manifest peace on earth, heaven on earth. You know, fasting has been used for hundreds of years, not just for the health benefits, but to try to bring about change in the world. So again, just let me know Sunday or Monday, which works best for you. Once I hear back from like 9 or more people who are interested in this, and if you give me the date, I'll launch it tonight or tomorrow morning, which date we're doing. So, and if I don't hear back from many people, I'll just end up probably doing it on Monday. So again, guys, let me know what works best for you, and may peace be with you all.